Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome killer abs and core workout. No equipment. You're gonna love it, so let's get right into it. All right, first up, 30 seconds, we have a together kick crunch. All right, hands up and then crunch as you kick. All right, hands to feet. Very good. And then coming back up, nice and straight, not bending, not opening up your rib cage. Lock it in and take your time. All right, go at your own pace. If this is not for you today, go ahead, open those hands and reach hand for opposite foot. All right, using those lower core muscles, those lower abs, all right, to bring your foot up. Very good. If you're challenging yourself, 2 together. Up, kick, up, and kick. Very good. Breathing, and 3, 2, 1, and open up, release. Very good. Next, we have a narrow squat, hold, twist. I'm gonna give you different variations. All right, feet a little closer together. In squat position, hands together, prayer, elbow to opposite knee. Twist, twist, twist. Very good. Nice engaged core, suck it in. All right, if this is not for you today, go ahead and break it up. All right, squat, twist, twist, and then come back up and repeat. All right, and if those aren't for you today, go ahead and just do regular squats. Also very good for your core. All right, nice straight back. If not, you're holding it and twisting. 3, 2, 1, center and up. Very good. Next, we have an oblique crunch to cross crunch. We're gonna do one side at a time. 30 seconds, hands behind your ears, not your neck, because we don't want to pull the neck, ears. All right, oblique crunch, cross, and then same side for 30 seconds. Very good. Elbow to knee, elbow to knee. Breathe. Faster doesn't always mean better, all right? Quality over quantity. Proper form, engaging your muscles, taking your time, and doing it correctly is gonna work so much more than faster and messy. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Other side. Big breath. Let's go. Inhale, exhale. It's very easy to hold our breath when we're focusing on something, but it's so important to breathe, especially while you're working out. Very good. Nice, long, elegant neck. All right, we're not like this. All right, open that chest. And 3, 2, 1, center, release. Very good. Last but not least, we have a fun one, up and over. All right, we're gonna go up and over to one side, both knees bend. All right, you could tap the knee, and then coming up again, elongate, and other side. Very good. Inhale as you come up, exhale as you come down. Very good. You can come up on your tippy toes like a calf raise when you go up and over, or go ahead and stay stabilized to the ground. All right, that's personal preference, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. Just remember to elongate here. Reach for the sky with a nice straight back, and then down here, a little crunch. Up, crunch. Very good. And 3, 2, 1. And there we have it. Set 1 done and dusted. Going right into set 2. Big breath. Starting with our together kick crunch. Let's get it.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
And 3, 2, 1, center, wiggle it out, squat, hold, twist. Let's go. 10 more seconds, you got this. And 3, 2, 1, center and up. Very good. Oblique crunch to cross crunch, one side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, other side. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, up and over. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, up, open, celebrate. 2, done and dusted. One more to go, big breath.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
And 3, 2, 1, center, wiggle it out, squat, hold, twist. Let's go. Ten more seconds, you got this. And 3, 2, 1, center and up. Very good. Oblique crunch to cross crunch, one side. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, other side. And 3, 2, 1, center, release, up and over. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, up, open. And there we have it, my beautiful people, 3 sets of this awesome standing core and abs workout. I hope you loved it. I hope you had fun. Let me know in the comments, what was your favorite move? Where are you tuning in from? And I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.